Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024 legal, safe, and secure. First is you open a browser of your choice. For this video, I will use Google Chrome. Then search Office Deployment Tool. Let's search this. After that, pick this first one, download Office Deployment Tool from official. Click. Language is English, then download. Save. Let's just save it for later, guys. Next is, let's create a folder in desktop. Rename it, anything will do. For this video, I will use my name of MS Office 2024. Then let's go back to our download Office deployment tool. Show in folder. Right click, open. Click the license agreement. Let's go to this tab where the folder we created. Then click OK. Extracted successfully. Now let's open new tab. Search Office Customization Tool. Click Enter. Office Customization Tool. Let's pick this, the first one, Office Customization Tool, Microsoft 365 Apps Admin System. Click. Loading. Architecture, leave it 64-bit. Select Office Suites product. Find Office LTC Professional 2024 Volume License. Here, yes, Office LTC Professional Plus 2024. Leave default and update channel. Apps, pick the one that you need. So for this video, I do not need Skype, OneNote, OneDrive, and Outlook. I only need Access, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and Publisher. So I will on them, and off that I don't need. Next. Select language, English. Next. Set default, next. Off this, uninstall any HMI. Next. KMS, default, next. They also default, next. Let's find the finish button. Click finish. Now let's export this. Select the second one, Office Open XML format. Click OK. Accept the license agreement. Export. Let's save this. Here, already saved and downloaded. Now, let's copy this configuration or cut. Let's copy this configuration. Copy. Go to desktop and paste on the folder that we made. Delete this first. Then paste it. The configuration. Again guys, there's only two that we need. Setup and configuration in the folder MS Office 2024. Next is we cut this and paste it in local disk C. Let's open it. Press Tab and highlight. Copy the location, guys. Copy this location. Now let's open CMD and run it as administrator. Here, the CMD. Type CD, then paste the location that we copied. Next is we type setup / configure, then configuration.xml. Click enter. The installation is already in progress. Let's just wait, guys. We're getting things ready. Great, now we are installing the Microsoft Office. Let's fast forward to the installed. Alright guys, you're all set. We have already installed Microsoft Office 2024. Let's check. Type Word. Click Word. Open blank document. Guys, we're already done. We have already installed Microsoft Office 2024 legal and secured.